Hi and welcome to this ZENworks video. In this video we're going to look at the new ZENworks Diagnostics capabilities of ZENworks 11 SP3. One of the features that we've introduced here is native diagnostics for ZENworks, and it's intended to address the common complaints we get about, hey, I'd like a way to see how do I monitor and troubleshoot my ZENworks primary server environment easily. Also, it's meant to help you and support to quickly identify issues and understanding where tuning may be required. We've tried to put this in ZCC and make it pretty easy to use. There are some advanced capabilities we won't get into this video, but it's going to provide support with quite a bit of information gathering capabilities. So let's take a look. This is the ZENworks Control Center for ZENworks 11 SP3, and you'll see over here on the left there is a new Diagnostics. When you go to Diagnostics, you'll see all of your primary servers, you'll see all of your database servers. That'll be two of them, the ZENworks database and the audit database. You can get a good feel for how big the database is, whether the status is currently showing as able to be connected to the server, and if you click on this schema link here, it will actually show you the row counts on each of the tables in the database. Additionally, on the primary server side, it shows you general status about things like what operating system is it running, the IP address, memory, CPU, whether time is in sync, and whether it can currently communicate with LDAP. You'll notice right now I have a warning up here because I'm getting very close to the amount of memory that is available on the machine. If I have a problem, I can then drill down and see some additional details about each of the ZENworks server processes. I can see the number of threads currently in use by each of the processes, the total memory usage of each, and also the database connection in use. If these numbers, the database connection or the thread counts are at or very close to that, you may need to do some additional tuning, and I'd refer you to the best practices guide for ZENworks 11 SP3 on how to do that tuning. If you were to click on the ZENworks server, it then takes you to a probe utility that can show you additional information about what's happening in the system. So you see each of the servlets running on the Tomcat server. You can click in there and you can actually see some interesting things related to number of requests coming in for this, average response time. So if you can pay attention and look at that, this data is all live. You can see all of the threads that are connected. You can do a thread dump from here. You can look at memory utilization and see how that's working. And you can also see the number of requests in a little more detail. So with this tool, the hope is that you'll be able to actively look at the diagnostics and determine, hey, if there's a problem here, maybe I need to do some tuning. Additionally, when you have to contact support or when you have to dig in a little bit deeper, you can use the probe tool. Additionally, in this release, we've also fixed the log files so that all of the log files use the same format to make it easier to read those log files. Hopefully this will help you as you troubleshoot and support your existing ZENworks environment, or help as you tune your new ZENworks environment. Thank you. Until next time, this is Jason Blackett, the Zen Guru, signing off.